Hello, everyone. This video is about how to create a simple scoring system using time constraint in XRCC 3.0. We will show you how to add time constraint into a single conditional event in this tutorial video. After this tutorial, I hope you can understand how to use the branch, the repeat, and the wait for functions. First, let me introduce the basic idea of this scoring system. We will create a sphere and a text box. The text box beside the sphere shows the score, which is originally 0. Every time we click the sphere, the score will increase by 1, and then after 10 seconds since we first clicked the sphere, the score will return to 0. So, let's get started. First, we are creating a ball and a text box. Drag it to a suitable location and make it to a suitable size for your convenience. And then, we have to check the properties of the sphere object. As we update the score by clicking it, we have to make sure the sphere is interactable. Here, you can see that I can type whatever I like in the text box. Therefore, I named it as score here. It really doesn't matter, as we later will set a number variable of 0 for the text box. Only the number 0 would be shown in the debug mode. Now, the objects for the scoring system are ready. We are now going to the behavior panel to create the logic flow for both objects. We first go to the behavior panel of the text box. Go to the variable list at the top left corner to create a number type variable so that the score can be updated and saved. We can name the variable score. Check whether the initial value is 0. We want the text box being updated and displayed by itself endlessly since the game starts. So, we drag a start behavior block first. That means we don't have to trigger anything to start this flow. And then we drag a repeat behavior block. It is like a while loop, and then we will ignore the condition part, and it will repeat endlessly. Next, we want to ask for the values of the score. We use the getNumbered behavior block, and we need to display the score in a text form. We use the behavior block's number to text to convert number to text. And setText behavior block is to help display the text in debug mode. Check the target and keyed in the block are the corresponding variables, input number of decimal places you want, and at last, link the repeat block to the setText block so a function that keeps updating the score variable is done. Next, we now go to the behavior panel of the sphere. We need to trigger the function by clicking the sphere, therefore we drag a clicked block first. And then, we will use the branch block in this flow. Here, we can see that a condition can be input into the branch block. So we create a Boolean variable called isClicked and make it to be false by unchecking the true box. Now we input the false status of the isClicked to the branch block. Again, check the target and key in the getBoolean block. After the first click, the flow would first go to the lower false branch as the initial status of the isClicked is false. Then we use setBoolean block to change the isClicked back to true status. Check the target and the key, and make sure the value box is checked as we want isClicked to be true. Next we use getNumber, add, and setNumber block to make a subfunction to store and renew the score after clicking the sphere. Again, remember to choose the right target and the right key. Enter value of 1 to the score variable in the adds block. Now this subfunction group is done. Link it to the previous block. Now, we use the wait for block to set a time limit of 10 seconds. After 10 seconds from the first click, the score displayed would reduce to 0 and the isClicked is set back to the false status. We are now waiting for the next first click. We achieve them by using setNumbered block and setBoolean block. Again, check the target, the key, and the value. Finally, we look into the upper true branch, which is representing what will happen after the second click and the clicks afterwards. Simply duplicate the score plus 1 subfunction we created previously. Attach those blocks to the true branch. Now, all are set. Save the project and enter the debug mode to try your scoring system. You can see there are a sphere and a score of 0 in front of you. Every time you click the sphere, the score increases by 1. And after 10 seconds, the score would return back to 0. We tried again, it still works. So, nothing goes wrong in our flow. And that's the end of this tutorial video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.